Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this organic coconut oil at home. So if you want to learn how to make organic coconut oil, keep watching. On my previous video, I taught you guys how to know a good coconut when you go to the market to purchase one. If you've done that using the method I taught you and it worked for you, let me know in the comment section. And I'm going to be leaving a link to that video at the top of this video, just in case you haven't watched the video and you want to learn how to know a good coconut. Just click on that link. So guys, without wasting much of your time, I'm going to crack this coconut off the camera because I don't want to waste too much time on this video. So I cracked the coconut off the camera. Like I said, I don't want the video to be too long. I washed the coconut, and the next thing for me to do is to start cutting it into smaller sizes. So why I'm cutting it into smaller sizes is because I don't want to stress my blender. So if your blender is not that strong enough and you don't want to buy new blender that quickly, cut the coconut into smaller sizes. And then when you're blending it with blender, add more water. Put little coconut but add more water. That way your blender will not be stressed. So next I'm adding the coconut into my blender and then I'm adding water. Then next I'm going to cover it up and then blend it smoothly. Coconut oil has a lot of health benefits. Coconut oil can be used to grow your natural hair and it prevents hair breakage. Coconut oil can be used as cream. It prevents dry skin. Coconut oil has low fatty acid. In fact, it's packed with a lot of health benefits, which I cannot mention all on this video. So guys, as you can see, I'm washing the coconut with warm water. I forgot to tell you guys, I blended it with warm water just to get rid of all the milk from it. Once I'm done, the chaff is no longer needed. I'm going to keep it aside. So guys, next I'm going to sieve the coconut water just to make sure I get rid of all the whole chaff from it, because we don't need the chaff and the back part of the coconut you're seeing in my bowl right now. So once I'm done doing this, next I'm going to cover the coconut water and leave it to stay overnight just to get it settled, because we are going to be making use of the milk and then we'll throw the water up aside. So I'm going to keep it like this till the next day. So guys, this is the next day. This is how it looks. The milk is at the top while the water is underneath it. So I'm going to take off the milk because that is what I'm going to be making use of, and then I'm going to throw the water away. Apart from using the milk like this to make your own coconut oil, you can also use it to cook coconut rice. I think this is the best method if you want to cook coconut rice. You blend it like this, get rid of the water and take off the milk like this. It's going to taste amazing. A friend of mine said to me that I love to stress myself, that I can purchase the things I'm doing in the shop. Well, you can purchase from the shop, but for me, I love to cook. I love to spend time in the kitchen. Like I always say, there's nothing like homemade things for me. So I love to do things for myself. So guys, once I'm done taking off the milk, I'm going to sieve it just to make sure I get all the milk I need from that water, because none will be wasting. Once I'm done taking it up like this, guys, this is how it looks. The milk looks nice. Next, I'm going to move to the next method. So guys, the weather now is getting a little bit cooler and my kitchen is cold now. So no matter how I cover this milk, I'm not going to get what I need from it. So I'm going to be adding hot water in my pot and then put the milk inside the pot like I'm doing now. And then I'll cover it up and then wrap it with a towel and allow the milk to melt by itself. So I'm not going to be cooking it in the fire because I'm doing cold pressed coconut oil, organic coconut oil. After 40 to 50 minutes, I left it. I brought it out, guys, from the water just to see how the oil is doing. So guys, this is how it looks. The oil has started coming out from it. I'm going to use my spoon now to get rid of all the oil I'm seeing at the top of it right now, and then repeat the same process again. Put it into a hot water, cover it and allow the oil to come out again. I will repeat this process like 2 or 3 times, and then the leftover milk, I'll put it in my pot, fry it just to get rid of all the oil from the milk. So guys, in this video, I'm showing you how to make organic coconut oil, which is called cold press oil. I have a video on another method on how to make coconut oil, which I'm going to be leaving the link at the top of this video. So if you want to watch the video, you can click on that link to watch the video. So guys, after separating the oil like this, guys, this is how it looks. White, pure organic oil. So guys, this is how you can make your own oil, your own coconut oil at home. So this is the leftover, which I told you guys, I'm going to put it in the pot, fry it just to get rid of all the oil because no one will be wasted. So guys, this is how the organic coconut oil look. I did not include the one I fried on the pot because that one is not organic. This one is organic cold press oil. So I left it in the freezer for it to block, and let me just show you guys how it looks. It really came out nice. You can also make your own oil at home with no stress. Omo, this is so amazing. All right guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you're still watching this video up till this time, thank you so much for your time watching this video. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Please don't forget to like my video and also share it with your families and friends. See you all on my next video. Bye. All right guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to stop here for today and continue the next day. See you guys on my next one. Bye.